Go.
What do you do at Katie Enterprise?
We manufacture bearings and seals for industrial equipment. We make labyrinth seals and bearings for rotating equipment. In the mill. So the first thing that happened was it brought out a probe system to locate the piece in the vise and set up a coordinate system. Then it brought out an end mill and roughed the top of the part off. Typically anything that rotates, like a shaft or whatever, there's two different kind of bearings. This is one style of bearing. The style of bearings we make are called hydrodynamic bearings, and there's no moving. Probably the seals. There's something that we've made so long, we're pretty good at. We could typically make them without too many errors.
How long can a certain job take?
So the bearings that I showed you on that model, from start to finish, from design until we finished it, was probably 6 months. That pump was probably 6 months. Some jobs come in and they get done the same day they can show up, just depending on how complex or how much design work we have to do on our end. I would have to be honest, probably all of them. I mean, 80 of these machines are pretty high horsepower. If you were to get caught up in one, I mean, there's deaths every year on these lathes. There's no stopping once they're going, so probably any of them if you're not cautious.